Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving right into how to use Monday.com for Agile Sprint Planning, your complete 2025 guide. First things first, we need to set up our board. Go to Monday.com and create a new board. Name it after your current project or sprint. This will be your command center for the entire sprint. It's crucial to have a well-organized board as it gives a clear visual overview of the project's progress and helps manage tasks efficiently. Now that we've done that, let's add our group of tasks. These groups can represent your sprint weeks or various project stages. Click on New Group and name it as per your preference. Grouping tasks ensures that related tasks are bundled together, making it easier to track and manage. Next up, we add our tasks, also known as stories, within these groups. Click Add and write your task. Remember to keep it concise yet descriptive. The reason we do this is to ensure that everyone on the team understands the task at hand. It's also a good practice to assign these tasks to team members right away to maintain accountability. Once we have our tasks in place, let's add relevant columns. These columns can be status, deadline, priority, or anything else you find relevant. The more specific your columns, the better your board can imitate your workflow. This helps us because it enables us to customize our board to our specific project needs. Our final step is to actively manage and update the board. As tasks progress, move them along the board, update their status, and keep everything current. This is vital because it helps the team understand where they stand and what needs attention. Let me explain why this matters. Agile sprint planning is all about adaptability and constant improvements. A well-managed board on Monday.com allows you to visualize your workflow, track progress, and quickly adapt when necessary. And there you have it, a simple, efficient way to use Monday.com for your Agile sprint planning. Remember, the key is customization and active management. This tool is designed to adapt to your project, so make it your own. Thanks for joining, and until next time, happy planning.